Hi, I am Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to import the Austin demo. On this domain I have installed the theme and the included plugins. To be able to import the demo and customize the theme, you will need to activate the theme by adding here your license code. I added my license code. I will click check license. And the theme is now active. In the theme we have the option to add SVG icons for features and amenities. For those icons to be imported along with the demo content, you will need to install the SVG support plugin. I will go to plugins. I have the SVG support plugin already installed. I will activate it and I will set it to apply only from admin. I will save my changes. And now I can proceed with the demo import. I will go to import demo. Here you will find all theme included demos. I will look for the Austin demo. This is the demo that I will import. I will click import demo. I will click continue and import. And I will wait for the demo content to be imported. The import process might take a few minutes. The demo content was successfully imported. Next, I will show the steps that you need to take after the demo is imported. I will click Visit Site. For the home page to show as the demo one, you will need to manually set this section by setting valid categories, and for each category added, you will need to manually upload an image. I will show the steps that you need to take. First, I will edit the home page with Elementor. I will scroll down to that section. This is the one. Here I will need to manually select the categories that I want to show on front end. I will select random categories. Now that I selected all categories, I will save my change. And the next step is to go to admin and upload manually images for each category used in the widget. I will go to properties. Here you will find all property categories. I will start adding the images. I will edit the category. I will press upload image button. I will select an image from my device. I will press insert into post button and I will update the category. The same steps will need to be done for each category that I added in the widget. I will go back to the list of categories. This time I will edit a city. I will edit, press upload image. I will select an image from my device. I will press insert into post and update. Since the steps will be the same for all categories, I will add the rest of the images of the record. I added all images. Now this section is showing correctly. The Austin demo homepage was entirely created with Elementor. So next I will show where you can change the image in header and how to manage the search form. I will go back to Elementor editor. The header image was set as the column background image. You will need to select the column, and in style section you will have the option to change the image. For the search we used the search form builder for Elementor, and here you will be able to edit the search fields and search design. Next you will need to go to theme options and replace demo settings with your own. In maps section you will be able to decide on the map system that you want to use. You can leave OpenStreet or you can select Google Maps. If you will select Google Maps, you will need to create and add a Google Maps API key. Also, if you wish to not use the search form builder, you can always use the theme search form, which can be set in search section. In advanced search form, you will be able to select the search type and add the fields that will show in the search. Next, you will need to set permalinks correctly. You will need to go to settings, permalinks. You will need to set permalinks to post name and save changes. These are the steps that you need to take after the demo import. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notification on new videos.